political landscape in Zimbabwe is a vibrant, ever-changing tapestry, rich in intrigue and high-stakes maneuvering. A pivotal moment in this grand tapestry unfolded recently when Jacob Mudenda, a renowned Zimbabwean figure, faced an unexpected situation. It all began when members of the Citizens Coalition for Change, also known as the CCC, made a dramatic exit from the Zimbabwean parliament. This group, known for their tenacious spirit and commitment to change, had become a formidable force in the political arena. Their departure sent shockwaves through the nation, leaving a noticeable void in the parliament. However, the wheel of politics never ceases to turn. In an unforeseen turn of events, Jacob Mudenda was compelled to invite the Ccc Mps back into the parliament, a move that was met with a mix of surprise, intrigue, and anticipation. The return of the CCC to the parliament marked a significant point in Zimbabwe's political history. It signified an acknowledgement of their influence and the importance of their role in the parliament. It also highlighted the dynamic nature of Zimbabwean politics, where alliances shift and the unexpected often becomes the reality. The consequences of this move were far-reaching. It brought a fresh wave of interest and engagement in Zimbabwe's political discourse. The CCC's return to the parliament reinvigorated the political landscape, sparking new debates, discussions, and potentially the inception of new policies. To summarize, Zimbabwe's political landscape experienced a significant shift when Jacob Mudenda was forced to bring back the CCC Mps into the parliament. This unexpected move illustrated the dynamic, unpredictable nature of politics in Zimbabwe. It highlighted the importance of the CCC's role in parliament and the far-reaching impact of their return. In this ever-evolving political landscape, one thing remains clear: Zimbabwe's political story is far from over. As the nation watches, the next chapter of this fascinating narrative is being written, one decision at a time.